Number 1. 1996 Chevrolet 3500, price $3,800. It comes with a clean title and a long life of 250,000 miles behind it. Under the hood sits the legendary 7.4L 454 V8 engine paired with a 4L80E automatic transmission, a combination well known for its durability and pulling power. Despite the mileage, the drivetrain runs flawlessly. There are no signs of overheating, no ticking or knocking, and it consistently shows strong oil pressure. The posy rear end further adds to its performance, making it capable both on the road and under heavy loads. On the outside, the truck is finished in classic white and has been fitted with front-lowering spindles for a cleaner, more aggressive stance. Inside, the gray interior is in impressive condition, rated 9 out of 10, and feels very comfortable for a truck of this age. It also features a brand new headliner, adding a fresh and clean look to the cabin. Recent maintenance includes new spark plugs and wires, ensuring it runs as smooth as it should. Number 2. 1997 Ford F-150, price $8,500. It has been driven only 93,000 miles since new. Powered by gasoline and equipped with a strong and smooth 5-speed manual transmission, it delivers the reliable performance these classic F-150s are known for. The truck features a gray interior that complements its bold exterior, and it has been carefully maintained throughout its life. It comes with brand new tires, a fresh professional paint job that shines beautifully, and a Pioneer stereo system for added enjoyment. A new alarm system with a backup camera has also been installed for extra security and convenience. With a clean accident-free history and low original miles, this F-150 is not only dependable on the road but also a true head-turner. Rarely does a classic truck combine such style, care, and drivability in one package. Number 3. 1982 Chevrolet C10, price $4,750, with just 66,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in a rich brown exterior with a striking red interior, it carries the classic charm of the early 80s. Under the hood sits a dependable small block V8, though it's uncertain whether it's the 305 or 350, paired with a TH350 automatic transmission that shifts smoothly through all gears. The truck has recently received a fresh tune-up, including new plugs, wires, a cap and rotor, along with a rebuilt carburetor. All fluids and filters have been changed, ensuring it's ready for the road. It also rides on newer wheels and tires, giving it both style and reliability. Running on gasoline and backed by a clean Kansas title, this C10 stands as a well-preserved piece of Chevrolet history, ready for its next owner to enjoy. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. It has seen 185,000 miles and is powered by the dependable 355.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in blue inside and out, it runs on gasoline and comes as a 2WD extended cab pickup, complete with a camper shell that offers extra space and protection for tools, gear, or weekend projects. Those familiar with these old Chevys know they're built tough, simple, and meant to last, and this truck is no exception. It isn't flawless and carries its share of quirks, but it starts right up every time and does exactly what it's supposed to do. Whether used as a daily workhorse, a weekend hauler, or just a solid old-school pickup, it delivers reliability and function. Recent maintenance includes a brand new starter, a new battery, and tires with plenty of tread, making it ready for its next owner to put it to work. Number 5. 2000 GMC Sierra 2500, price $5,000, powered by the dependable 350 Vortec engine and paired with an automatic transmission. It starts right up and runs and drives without issue. The truck features power windows and locks, and while all the windows function properly, the driver's side window does need a little help going up. The radio is in working condition, but the speakers will need attention. Finished in a clean white exterior, this Sierra sits on like new tires, making it road-ready. For its age and mileage, the truck is exceptionally nice, showing the kind of durability and reliability Texas trucks are known for. The only real downside is that the interior could use some attention, but overall, it remains a strong and dependable workhorse. Number 6. 1981 Ford F-150, price $4,950. This truck comes with 179,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in brown with a matching brown interior, it runs on gasoline and carries a clean Texas title. Under the hood, it features a V8 engine paired with a newly rebuilt carburetor, along with a new fuel pump and fuel sending unit. The truck is fitted with Keystone wheels, and its interior has been refreshed with a brand new seat and headliner. For convenience, it also includes power windows and locks. Overall, this classic F-150 runs and drives well, making it a solid example of a dependable vintage pickup. Number 7. 1985 Dodge Ram 50, price $3,350. This truck is a classic little pickup that captures the charm of old-school Mopar. Showing 114,000 miles, it comes with a manual transmission and runs on gasoline, making it not only dependable but also a real gas saver. The truck wears a clean white exterior with a beige interior that adds to its vintage look. While the seat is no longer in the best condition, a cover has been added for comfort and appearance. Despite its age, it's fun and easy to drive, the kind of lightweight work truck that feels both practical and nostalgic. It holds a clean title and is currently on non-op status, ready for someone who appreciates a vintage ride with character and charm. Number 8. 1995 Chevrolet Silverado, price $4,995, with a 6.5-foot bed and rear-wheel drive, offering both utility and classic styling. Finished in a deep green exterior with a well-kept gray cloth interior, it captures the straightforward design of mid-90s Chevrolet trucks. Under the hood, it's powered by a reliable 5.0L V8 VIH-16V engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, giving the driver full control and plenty of power for everyday driving or hauling needs. With 170,000 miles, this Silverado has clearly proven its durability while still maintaining the strong road presence these trucks are known for. Comfortable, practical, and built to last, it represents a great balance between classic pickup charm and functional performance. Number 9. 1994 Chevrolet 3500, price $6,500. This truck is presented in a bold red finish and rides on aluminum wheels, giving it a strong and classic look. Under the hood, it is powered by a 5.7L engine with only about 20,000 miles on it, offering plenty of life and dependable performance. The power is paired with a 5-speed NV4500 manual transmission that shifts smoothly through every gear without any grinding. Recent updates add to its reliability, including a brand new clutch, fresh exhaust system, and new brakes, ensuring it runs and drives as it should. The body remains solid and rust-free, though some areas show peeling clear coat typical of its age. A clear title is in hand, making the purchase process simple and straightforward for the next owner. Number 10. 1982 Chevrolet C10, price $9,000. This truck comes with its original 5.0L V8 305 engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. Showing 160,000 miles on the odometer, it has been kept as a dependable daily driver and is located in North Fort Worth. Finished in a classic brown exterior with a matching brown interior, the truck maintains its authentic look and feel. Equipped with air conditioning, the C10 offers comfort along with practicality. It carries current tags, runs and drives reliably, and remains ready for the road. The title is clean and under the seller's name. Offered as a cash-only sale, with no trades considered, this truck presents a solid opportunity to own an original, well-kept classic Chevrolet pickup.